In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to tap on Privacy Controls and click on Permission Manager over here to continue. Now it's time to pick any feature you wish to manage and select one of your app under one of those sections. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, ask every time, or not allowed. I will go with from not allowed one. Now apply one of those options by clicking on the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with first one, so when I tap and go back, I can set Chrome just gained access to my device's camera when I'm using my browser. But you can always select any feature. Tap on an app you wish to manage and scroll all the way down to select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!